All right, I'm the flatratemaster, and this is a TechMas gift guide. So if you've got a technician in your life and you want to get them some tools for Christmas, I'm going to give you some ideas. There will be links in the description. Some will be affiliate links that go to my Amazon stores. Others, Milwaukee, will be directly to Milwaukee's website, and they'll give you places to buy it from. I don't have affiliate links for Milwaukee tools because I want to make sure you maintain your warranty. All right, let's get into it. First up is the Milwaukee 1/4" extended reach ratchet. Now this is one of my most used Milwaukee tools. And if you look at it, that's not from lack of use. This is one of my go-to tools from Milwaukee. It is just a tool I could not live without. If this broke today, it would be immediately replaced. All right, next up, also from Milwaukee, the 3/8" Stubby Impact. Now again, it's beat up because this gets used literally every single day. Every day, this is in my hand. I use the snot out of it. One more Milwaukee tool and then get into the rest of it. The Milwaukee USB light. Again, there'll be links to the description. This is my favorite stickable, movable light. Kicks everything else's hiney. I'll grab this before the Astro pneumatics every day. Now on the subject of lights, OLIGHT Seeker 2. My go-to flashlight. Batteries last a heck of a long time. They're durable as all get out, and they have a lifetime warranty. I'm not sponsored by them. I paid for this light. Now, OLIGHT is not a current sponsor. They have sent me some stuff in the past, but I paid for these Seeker 2s. I bought them off my Mac guy. They are still my go-to lights. I use them every day. And I love the magnetic stand charger that it goes on because I just have it mounted in my hutch, pop it on there and charge it. Now this next tool I have talked about for years. It's a good stocking stuffer because they're not expensive. And that is a aircraft door skin spoon. Now this is, like aircraft, this is the best panel popping tool for interior work out there, period, no contest, ever. If the tech in your life doesn't have one of these, get him one. This is the bomb. I have several of these, so you need this. I did a whole video about this tool, but those evil panel clip tools that, every car is held together nowadays with, this tool right here is invaluable for them. You just go in under there with the jaws, you lever it out, pop it off. It literally makes this, almost all of them, just so freaking easy to get out. Thin jaws. Now this one is by Dent Fix. There's cheaper versions of it, and I will find those on Amazon. There'll be a link in the description. Again, I've got 2 of these. Couldn't live without them. All right, now the next one, haven't talked about in a while, but these Vessel Impacta screwdrivers in JIS standard Phillips, the bomb. These are the best impacting screwdrivers for taking out rotor screws out there. End of story. If you know what they are, this is a impacting, it's not just a, strike through screwdriver. There is an impacting mechanism in the handle and it takes out rotor screws. It works way better than those stupid little round things that, have the 3/8 drive on them. These, I don't know what to tell you. These are much better. Get them in number 2 and number 3. Number 2 is the one I use most. Use them for Honda rotor screws all the time. Hit it, boom, out. This is my number 2. You can see how much mileage it has had. And it is growing strong. Now, I have only broken one of them, but I've only broken one of them. So they're really durable too. As an added benefit, if they work on Asian cars that have Phillips screws in other places, those are the best. If you're trying to get the screws out of like crusty idle air control valves, those will make you swear Snap-on and Matco and Max screwdrivers do not exist. Yes, they're that good. Next one up is from Mueller Kips, and that is their authorized copy of the Super Scraper. Now they have these in short as well as extended. Get them both. I use these literally all the time. I keep saying that, but that's why they're in this guide. The other day I had to warranty a RTV sealed oil pan that another tech had done, and sat there and scraped all the RTV off, made a nice new surface. The small tip works really good against the back of the engine to get the flywheel. Just can't say enough good things about these. And I like the handles better than the Super Scrapers. All right, next up, Gearwrench X-Core swiveled impact extensions. Now these come in a kit from 8 to 15 every day. Every day. Now this is the least used, this is the 15, it's just the biggest one on camera. But I literally use these every day. The 10 millimeter, the 12 millimeter, the 14 millimeter, and the 13 millimeter are just invaluable. I use them all the time. That oil pan I mentioned a minute ago, how do you think it went back on? So with one of these, except for one fastener at the front of the engine, I use the quarter-inch impact socket. Last two tools, one's Gearwrench and one is CTA. This is branded Matco, but it was originally made by Gearwrench, and that is the set of swivel spark plug sockets. Now, one of the drawbacks of this kit is no 14 millimeter 12 point. 5/8 is probably what you're going to use in various extensions, and the kit comes with various sizes. The CTA tool, CTA 7654B, is a swivel extension with a 14 millimeter 12 point. If they work on Nissans, if they work on BMWs, if they work on Minis, this is a really important tool to have, especially for some of the BMWs that the spark plug's canted, and if you don't have a locking extension on it, it stays in the hole. So you really want this. So I hope this buying guide was helpful. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.